Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Before we get started, I'm going to show you guys the dried results of the painting you're going to see in the video today. It is one of my gradient background Dutch pours, but I did something a little different. I added this cute little lighthouse. So I'm from North Carolina and we have a lot of lighthouses here, but this one is actually the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. And I think it might be my favorite because I really like the spirals. So that's what I used as my inspiration for this particular painting. So I will say, because of some camera issues, I didn't film me creating this entire lighthouse. But what I did was I printed out a copy of the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. Then I traced around it on my canvas and went back in with my Prussian blue color, which is the same color that I painted the circle, and filled it in. So I'm really liking how it turned out. I think it's really cool to add these little embellishments to an already cool technique. So don't forget, you guys, that I have my formula and my colors listed in the description box. So please check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.